In this video, we're going to be looking at coordinates in 4 quadrants. In order to plot a point, we know the phrase along the corridor and up the stairs, meaning along x and up y. Knowing this, let's plot this. So here we have our point and we want to place it in that coordinate. We go along the corridor to 3 and we go up the stairs to 4. This is our point. Okay, let's have a look at this. We have 4 different quadrants. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, x is positive and y is positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 3, x is negative and y is also negative. And in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Knowing this, let's plot 2, 4. So go along the corridor to 2 and up the stairs to 4. Let's plot -2, 4. So along the corridor to -2 and up the stairs to 4. Let's plot -2, -4. So along the corridor to -2 and down the stairs to -4. Notice that I said down the stairs because we have 4 quadrants. And let's plot 2, -4. So along the corridor to 2, down the stairs to 4. And this is our point. Combining all of our points together, we form this shape. What shape is this? And give a reasoning. This shape is a rectangle. We know this because we have 4 right angles and the adjacent sides are equal in length. Okay, hopefully you'll understand coordinates in 4 quadrants. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.